Hello, and welcome to Read Along with Heather. Today we will be reading If You Give a Cat a Cupcake by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. He'll want to go into the water and build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for some seashells. He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it will be too heavy. And he'll decide he needs to work out at the gym. Good for the cat. I work out at the gym too. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then he'll lift a weight or two. He lift a lot more than I can. He might even try a karate class. I used to go to karate. After the gym, he'll want you to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. He'll be the captain, and you'll have to row. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane, and he'll go on the whale. The whale will remind him of the Science Museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, you'll find the dinosaurs. Then he'll visit the Hall of Apes. When the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather a lot of his things. Then he'll want to race you. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. And the chances are, if you give him some sprinkles, he'll want a cupcake to go with it. And that's the end of If You Give a Cat a Cupcake.